My viewers and subscribers, this morning, today, any which part today in the world, this is a video that I hope you guys can watch and wish you guys watch this video from start to finish. Like the video, share the video. Let's discuss. Let's talk about this. I try my best not to be rude or to be disrespectful in this video. While it is a hard video to make, but I'm asking you, watch the video from start to finish. And let's discuss this. And also, I'm asking you to go and talk to Daddy Gargon. Please, may I beg you, talk to Daddy Gargon, and it's Daddy Gargon opinion. First and foremost, it's his opinion. But I'm asking you all to go and talk to Daddy Gargon and let Daddy Gargon know when and where. And he's wrong. This message is to Daddy Gargon friends. The guys up in Canada, the guys over in Europe, all of you who are defend Daddy Gargon against me, because apparently I do got Daddy Gargon something when all me I do is outline things that Daddy Gargon do. So with that said, let's get into the real meat and the matter of this video. I'm out. Peace. What's happening? Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. What I say? Honestly, I hope everything is in good condition, good health. I want to have good strength. Now, my viewers and subscribers, this video is a sensitive video. And I'm not going to waste no time to get to the point. I know you see the thumbnail. Yeah, man, I know you see the thumbnail. And this is a video where take me a while to make. And the reason why it takes so long to make is because I make 5 of them. And my viewers and subscribers, I make some of them, and some of them was rough. Some of them is rough. I couldn't post them. And my viewers and subscribers, I never was going to do another video about Daddy Gargon. No, I never ever go do another video about Daddy Gargon. But I go say this to you. First, let me big up KC Adventure. Big ups Jamaica Sensation. Big up Oliver Lifestyle. Big up Marlon. Big up Market TV. Big up Ocean and Noya. Yes, man, we finally get it. Noya, yes. Yeah, man, big up. And big up every content creator out there. Whether if you're big up so, or if you're small down so, or if you're just a start. Yeah, man, and you know, I want to big up the general, you know. And to be honest, I want to big up Colors Smith TV, and I want to big up Drizzy Burke on the Walking TV, and also I want to big up Professor Bingy, yeah man. Also Sunrise Boss, yeah man, Sunrise Boss, because of them guy them me watching. Yeah man, when me never did ready if you push out my channel later, them me watch, you know. J-Bud, the Gizzard General, big up yourself, youth. And me see your sister, thing I go on. But my viewers and subscribers, me never gonna make that video, yeah. Because when me see Me just want to go really hard. Because as you know see, all who follow me on the CMR case, when you hear what me say, my cousin cannot get pregnant because of what happened to her at age 13. So this whole case is close to my heart. Me talked to my cousin yesterday. Yeah man, yesterday me and her talking. Me and her talk yesterday and me and her talk day before yesterday. Yeah man. When me talk to her, me make she bring it up, not me. And some of the time when me talk to her, and she a say, boy, them a try and them go at this doctor and them go at that doctor and our body just no normal, or, you know. She a say rough pan her. However, my viewers and subscribers, me get a message yesterday. And the message that me get yesterday is that the individual send me a message, because sometimes them send me a tell lie. The individual send me a message and the individual send me the message. The message say them unsubscribe from Daddy Gargon. Yeah man, and them tell me the reason why them unsubscribe from Daddy Gargon, because them say them see Daddy Gargon make a video supporting CMR and Crissy. Now, Daddy Gargon, this is me I talk to you. Me not rush you. Me not come out and try to disgrace you. Me not come out and try to bash you, because guess what? You're your own man. You are 73 years old. You have your own mind. But me go say this to you. What is really wrong with you? Yeah man. And that me want to know in a Daddy Gargon. What is really wrong with you? Because to tell you the truth, my viewers and my subscriber, Daddy Gargon viewers and him subscribers, what is wrong with Daddy Gargon? Can you all help me? Help me with this one. Daddy Gargon, you talk about Murphy and me say something. You dislike me. You think me shouldn't say nothing to you. Some of your people where you help, you motivate them for our channel. Them come, then talk about me, them say me a liar, me a wicked, me a deceitful, me this, me that, when all me do is tell you the truth. But again, people don't like the truth. But Daddy Gargon, what me want to say to you is this. The victims of these kind of situation is hurting. Me talk to a 50-odd-year-old lady over the phone. She called me. She tell me thanks for a talk about this thing. She say in her 50s, she still have to take therapy. She still can't deal with a relationship good. She say every time she start to have a relationship, it's like her brain. But my thing to you is this, Daddy Gargon. Trenchtown boy, now known as Trenchtown Grandpa, went to Africa, and when him got Africa, him have a situation allegedly with a lady that him that gave some money. The lady said him asked her to send her daughter, which is a teenager. Me not go say how old the person is, cause me don't know. But she was a teenager, them never said the age. To his hotel room. However, you went out and you talk about how great that man is. Even though that man want to interfere with that little girl allegedly. You also say in your first video, second video defending, no, it was your first video defending CMR. You said that you are friends that used to beat them wife in a Jamaica, coming at the US, try to do the same thing, end up at jail, something like that, or that prison. Now, Daddy Gargon, what I want to ask you is, why you have so much friends, or you know so much people that take advantage of ladies that in this position? Now, out of all, you come and protect CMR when allegedly CMR, the little girl, said CMR touched her 3 times. Not one, no, 3 times. You make me all scratch my head. Daddy Gargon, the first video you make, you say them talk about how them do them investigation and them do them research, that are me you attack. You say me or we cannot say CMR guilty or else him a go sue. Daddy Gargon, as me sit down here so I talk to you, CMR is guilty in my eye. And him can't sue me. You and him can't sue me. I'm going to tell you why him can't sue me. CMR can't sue me because the case was dropped in the court, but he have 2 conditions. Yes, him can't sue me because the case dropped in the court with 2 conditions. Yeah, 2 conditions. Number 1 condition, he's not supposed to be seen with or around that little girl for the rest of his life. That's one of the conditions. Number 2 condition is he have to go at counseling therapy for sexual deviance. Daddy Gargon, go and look up what sexual deviance mean. And I tell you, you're going to be shocked of what it really mean. Now, Daddy Gargon, how and why they would give him 2 conditions if he was innocent? You understand me? I said, Daddy Gargon, if he was innocent, why would they give him 2 conditions? Why the case is closed and not guilty? Daddy Gargon, let me tell you something. Before you come pan national airwave, national media, and talk about things like these, do your homework, investigate, check it out, ask questions, or leave it alone. Daddy Gargon, the police said the case is open and still open. He didn't see any reason why that case should drop at his police station. The detective lady, 17-year veteran that investigate the case with CMR and the little girl, said she's glad that there's a movement for Jay. She herself watched The Fix. And when CMR said about her making the mistake, the bad investigation, they start to look into a lot more things. Daddy Gargon, do your homework before you do these things, and stop do these things because you want to try to hurt me. You not hurt me. Me already hurt already for what them do to my cousin. So trying to hurt me and trying to hurt, when me I say, you are hurt people and you are hurt the victim. That is the reason why one lady send me a message and tell me say them unsubscribe from you. And that's the reason why you don't monetize your channel. Because if person unsubscribe from you, it don't mean nothing to you. Now, if a person unsubscribe from me or not watch me no more, it means something to me because the money when me make from YouTube, it'll go somewhere. It'll help somebody down at Jamaica there. All of that soon, I soon show all of it. So I realize, see, I'm a joke me attack. You do 3 videos. And the 3 videos what you do, I doubt if you understand what you are doing. Daddy Gargon, I doubt if you have a knowledge or if you sit down and think before you make your video. You have many victims out there. Many victims. I cry out knowing say all of a sudden people able to talk about these things. Because throughout them life, nobody talk about it. But you, of all person, have to jump up and protect the monster, the predator. You go as far as say, the last video you make, you say, oh, CMR and Crissy nothing say nothing more. Crissy nothing talk. CMR nothing talk on YouTube because all we are look is views and money. Daddy Gargon, let me say this to you. I'm going to say this. A long time we are tell CMR if he shut him mouth. A long time we are say stop talk because all you are do, you are talk. The more you talk and the more you are sure say you're guilty. But the only reason why you can't go to prison or not go to prison is because you cannot prove touching. You can't prove touching. Daddy Gargon, that's the only reason why CMR is not in that big house. Daddy Gargon, remember the little girl named Shani, or the young girl named Shani? Say, when CMR meet her first, CMR think she had it 15 years old. Daddy Gargon, know your place. Know your place, brother. Daddy Gargon, let me say this to you. You don't stop disrespect people on YouTube. Yeah, you know, ram for disrespect YouTubers. And I'll say this to you. Many, millions, thousands, hundreds and thousands and millions of people benefit, live, work is YouTube. Your idol, work, life come through YouTube. But you get up every day and you talk about YouTubers, views and money, and you know have to monetize your channel cause this and that. But Daddy Gargon, yeah man, me I tell you the truth. This time, this one, when me talk to you about, when you do the video about Murphy, and me talk to you and say to you, say, you're wrong for talk about Murphy in a that way. You say you stand by your word, but yet still you go over Oliver and you want Oliver to change the words them what Oliver talk about. GG. But you stand by your word when you talk about. So me realize say you know rate young people. Now see, you go as far as disrespecting the victim and the victims by picking a side, and you pick CMR and Crissy side. And that is the big problem pan YouTube in the Jamaican community, picking sides. A lot of people out there, content creator, pick side with you. And not one of them can tell you say you're wrong. But Daddy Gargon, may I tell you this day, you know, you're wrong for make them videos there. Protecting CMR. Yeah, you're wrong for make them video there and protect CMR in this situation because CMR wrong allegedly interfere with him stepdaughter. And as me said before, remember, there's an open case in the police force, closed case in the court. Why? I do not know. Yes, to tell you the truth, I don't know why it's a close in the police. But what I know from my experience and what I know, the case said close. There is something behind it. When a case done, it says guilty or not guilty. When it says close, that means there is something behind it. And what is behind it, to what I heard, is that he have two conditions. Two conditions, Daddy Gargon, if you never know. Daddy Gargon, you let me down. You talk about me clothes. You talk about me not come from a good home. You talk all kind of bad things about me. Which, to be honest with you, it not trouble me. Cause me know where me I come from. Straight up a Portland with the Portland. Port Antonio, the capital. And me know myself. Me know where me I come from. Me know the home where me I come from. So, that's why me not even do video and follow you up with that. But this one, you know, is close to my heart. Daddy Gargon, me have a friend in a Jamaica where I have a kid. That kid a big man now. And she get impregnated by her mother, man, at the time. She was 1-4. Yeah, man. 14 years old. And when she tell her mother backs her down. Yeah, man. My friend that. Up to the day. My friend that. So Daddy Gargon, it close to me where you went and talk about and you went and protect CMR. You let me down. Cause me have nothing against you. No? Me never have, hold on, listen me good now. Me never have nothing against you. Because word is win. Render your heart and not your garments. Yeah, you go to church every Sunday, you talk about the Bible, you put your hand on the Bible, you swear, you know, you do all kind of things. But this one is difficult to watch you go by. Because as me say, me never go do no more video about you, you know. Yeah, man. Me never go do no more video. Because also, me listen to a classmate say. Yeah, man. So me never do no more video. But my viewers and subscribers, me really do this video calm and cool. But the question that I really want to ask Daddy Gargon is, why is he always protecting people like these? Why you have so much friends that is in this situation? Why you always protect them? Why? Why is it? I mean, I go send Daddy Gargon, me not go send nothing out there. Because me can say something. Me can put it out there in many different ways. Me not go do that. Me ask you the question, why? Why you protect these people? Why you protect these people at all costs? Because Daddy Gargon, this is how me I try to say to you right now. You know me know say something funny. Trenchtown. Boy. Me no know, me never do nothing about Trenchtown, boy. Cause tell you the truth, certain thing me no do video upon. So me wouldn't say, because of me, I do something upon it, you go over there go do something. I try to protect him. You protect him by your own. But my question to you is, why are you protecting those people? Yeah, man, that's my question to you. Why are you protecting those people? And my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave it right there, sir. With that question, why are you protecting these people? Because, to be honest with you, I want to cuss, but I not going to cuss. Because I respect you and you and you. I respect my viewers, I respect my subscribers. No matter what you want to say to me, I respect honor. I have manners. I grew up very good. Yeah, man. But those questions is questions I want to talk to Daddy Gargon about and ask him, why you take up this topic and why you choose to go up on the side of CMR when you already do it with Trenchtown boy, now known as Trenchtown grandpa. You don't know my viewers and subscribers, you know me out, you know. Thank you very much. Enough respect and enough manners. Peace.